Stop waiting for a big budget to start your dream business. Here are 10 ideas that need zero investment. Number 1. Freelance Services. Use platforms like Fiverr or Upwork to offer skills like writing, graphic design, or social media management. Number 2. Consulting. Use your expertise in areas like marketing or finance to offer consulting services. Number 3. Tutoring. Share your knowledge by tutoring students in person or online. Number 4. Dropshipping. Start an online store without holding inventory. Number 5. Virtual assistant. Provide remote administrative support to businesses or entrepreneurs. Number 6. Content creation. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast and monetize through ads and sponsorships. Number 7. Affiliate marketing. Promote products online and earn a commission for each sale through your referral. Number 8. House cleaning or organizing. Offer cleaning or organizing services locally. Number 9. Pet sitting or dog walking. Start a pet care business with minimal overhead. Number 10. Event planning. Use your organizational skills to plan events and charge for your expertise. No more excuses. Pick an idea and start your journey to entrepreneurship today.